Happy holidays, everybody. This is the season to be jolly, and today we're going to be baking almond flour oatmeal cookies, and they are gluten-free. Let's get started. 1/4 cup of softened coconut oil, 1 egg, 1/2 cup of coconut sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/3 cup dark chocolate chips, 1 cup of gluten-free old-fashioned rolled oats, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 cup of almond flour. Mix all of the ingredients together in a bowl. Once you complete this task, you want to make sure that you create small to medium-sized cookies. So you're going to roll the dough into balls and then press them to flatten them slightly, thus creating a normal cookie shape. Bake the cookies at 350 degrees for 9 to 12 minutes. Once you do that, allow the cookies to cool and enjoy. Another option is you can switch out the zero sugar chocolate chips for raisins. You can see here in the video that's what I did. I made 2 different kinds. I created a chocolate chip oatmeal cookie, and this one here is raisin. Don't forget to like this video, comment down below your favorite recipe, and share this with friends and family.